Holy cow, that thing works good. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this 22-inch Cordless Hedge trimmer. Keep in mind, with this particular one, it does not come with the battery or the charging tool. If you guys need a battery, I'll put a link in the video description where you can get the battery. And if I can find one that comes with the battery, I will also include that. Alright. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I can pick it up with one hand. Okay, it's going to come just like this. So you guys can see up here. Oh, so you press this button in here and you can rotate the handle. So if you're going at an angle, whatnot, you just press it in, turn with the other hand. So just like so, press it in. And you can actually leave it like that too by unpressing the button, so you can leave it at an angle. So if you're going, turning, so there is a guard. When you go to pull the trigger, it will not turn on. You have to press this, slide this back, and then press up and hold in, and you're good to go. You don't have to hold that down, you just have to pull it down to go. So what you do, take this, slide this off, and be very careful. These blades are sharp in between here. So let's go ahead and add our hedge sweep. So this coming towards you. Yep, that looks like right. So what that does is when you're doing branches, you can actually use this orange piece to push the branches out of your way. Alright, we take our battery, we just simply pop it in place just like that. Make sure your fingers are not in the track at all. Just like that, and that's it. It's that simple. Okay, enough showing it, let's actually use it. Oh, holy cow, that thing works good. Oh my goodness, guys, that is amazing. And those were some thick branches. Wow, I picked a pretty hot day. It's 94 degrees out, but we did all that we wanted to do on half a charge. This battery hasn't even been fully charged and still's got power left. Phenomenal, guys. This gets a 10 out of 10 all day long. you guys have seen it for yourself how good this works. Wow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it off, wash it off, try and keep it as good condition as possible. But this thing, where has it been all my life? 10 out of 10 guys, links in video description if you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe. So as a bonus video, this is all that we did. All of this. We did some trimming over here. All of this trimming here. All down here. All trimming the whole way along here. The whole way. Basically everywhere we could. And we still had power left in the one battery. I can't tell you guys enough how amazing the product is. 10 out of 10 all day long.